Hello everyone, this is your weather on Fly outlook and discussion for Sunday, March 16, 2025. Update concerning convective outlook days 1 to 3. For today, there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms from the upper Ohio Valley to the central Florida Peninsula. Seasonally strong upper trough, though bimodal in nature, will shift into the Ohio Valley and southeast by the end of the period. Ahead of the main trough, a lead mid-level speed max will translate across eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania with 500 millibar speeds in excess of 120 knots. This feature will be partly responsible for sustaining a surface low that should track from southeast lower Michigan into Ontario by early afternoon. Additionally, low-level jet is forecast to increase markedly across western Pennsylvania early in the period, and this will aid moistening ahead of the short wave. Sporadic damaging wind swaths and a few tornadoes will be the primary threats this morning through dusk across a broad portion of the east. For Monday, thunderstorms will be possible near Cape Hatteras, North Carolina early in the period. Isolated to scattered thunderstorms will also be possible Monday afternoon ahead of a mid-level trough moving through California, and from the Pacific Northwest coast, from northern and central California into the Intermountain West, with no severe threat expected with this activity. For Tuesday, there is a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms across southeast Nebraska, Iowa, and far northern Missouri. At mid-levels on Tuesday, anticyclonic flow is forecast to be in place across the eastern half of the nation, as a trough moves quickly eastward through the Intermountain West and Central Rockies. During the afternoon and evening, moisture return will take place ahead of the approaching system from the Arklatex northward into the mid-Missouri Valley. By Tuesday night, surface dew points are forecast to reach the upper 40s and lower 50s within a narrow corridor from far eastern Oklahoma into far eastern Kansas and southern Iowa. Overnight, a cold front is forecast to move through the Central Plains and mid-Missouri Valley, along which thunderstorm development is expected to take place. This environment could be enough for marginally severe hail with rotating storms that move along and near the instability axis. The majority of the severe threat is expected late in the period, between midnight through early on Wednesday. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for the latest Storm Prediction Center outlooks.